Yes,
Wait, wait. Hey, Ankur, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Yeah. Even before we started, you sharing a screen.
Yes.
Okay. Before I get to the topic of it, can you quickly tell me what are we doing today and what is it that you are opening on these links?
So 3 days back, as we both know, I was at a brewing event and then I met with bunch of guys and then they said that they are working on similar products like this. So
Okay.
this is a brewery management software.
Hmm.
It's kind of ERP software. So ERP is called, okay, Enterprise Resource Planning Solutions. So what it does is it takes care of what is coming inside the business and what is going outside the business. For example, for a beer company, inventory of raw material, inventory of the ready product,
Hmm.
what is happening during the process. So these are the softwares available in the market. And
Okay.
recently they have done like lots of marketing things. And yeah, this is what they do. Then there is another software called Brew.
The brew.
Yeah, Brew. It's called BREW, Brew.
Yeah.
And as you can see from these screenshots, this is what they do,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
And then this is see what is happening inside the brewery, in which tank, what beer is there, how to plan brews,
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
All those things. And yeah, and they charge like 2,500 USD a month, or
Wow.
sometimes less or more. I don't know what is the current rates, but as you can see, it's more of making things, right?
Yeah.
So,
Is this something that we can do as well?
yes, I was playing with the chat GPT for like couple of minutes.
Hmm.
And yeah, this is what it looks like. So let's start with this. So what I've done is this is my coding environment. So this is where people make codes, right? And this is
Hmm.
the code. It's like lots of lines. I
Okay.
haven't even coded a single piece over here, line of code. So what I can do is I can immediately, pull this chat GPT here
Okay.
and I can tell chat GPT, hey, chat GPT, I took that image, right? Copied from there.
Hmm.
And I'm asking chat GPT, can you implement similar changes in implementation in below the box? Okay. You there?
Hmm.
Okay. We went for the water. Okay. So as you can see, this is what I've created, right?
Oh,
So
this is what you were showing me earlier.
yes.
Hmm.
So similar thing, but I haven't coded anything over here. It was just prompts, and
Hmm.
then I got this. For example, see, can you see how it's making those graphs and everything?
Hmm.
Now, I asked this to make similar things, right?
Yeah.
So it is asking for my permission. Okay. And it's thinking. Again, it asked for my permission.
Hmm.
So while it's working, I can tell you like this is what I do in recent time. So I become a bridge between the brewers and the IT professional. So I take requirements and their expectations from the brewery people,
Hmm.
what kind of solution they want, and then I convey the same thing into the form of IT language.
Okay, but overall, how does it benefit the industry, the beer, and the business side of it, and plus the quality of beer.
See, but currently we take data into, so what happens in a brewery is, so we have various platforms from where we generate data. And at the end, data looks like this,
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
And we don't make use of that data,
Okay.
right? Now, if
Yeah.
we'll start translating that data, it turns into like what are the people who likes that particular beer.
Hmm.
And let's say I brewed three batches of beer, same beer, and
Hmm.
one batch was like highest selling, other batch was lowest selling. So when I'll be brewing the same beer for the fourth time, I can
Yeah.
make use of that data.
Okay.
So why people like hesitate to use that data? Because data looks like this, right?
Okay.
This particular thing.
Hmm.
What's that? Sorry. Yeah. So data looks like this Excel, and
Hmm.
Excel sheets are very boring. No one like to dig
No
into
one wants
this,
to see it.
right?
Yeah.
So instead this of this, people started using these platforms, or they started making such platforms, right?
Huh.
Similarly, with the help of vibe coding is a coding where you talk to the chat GPT or any large language model, and
Hmm.
it codes on your behalf, right? As you can see, in our solution, whatever
Hmm.
we have made, there is no thing like this, right?
Huh.
But just now, a few minutes before, while we were talking, I asked this to make this, right?
Yeah.
Now you can see, just with the help of screenshot itself, we added this thing extra,
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
So this is the power of ChatGPT. Now,
So
because
this improves the quality of beer.
yes, a lot. Because see, everything is on your fingertips now. For example, if I'll say, okay, what are the brews that I've brewed in last 7 days
Hmm.
or in last 30 days? See,
Hmm.
these are the brews. Now I want to understand, okay, what was the brew number 24,
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
Immediately it takes me to brew number 24,
Nice.
right?
Yeah.
And immediately I'd see, okay, what happened in that brew. It didn't do okay because again it's vibe coded, but most of the time it does. Okay. So whenever see, it's very, very functional. Now, if you want to add some, I can say, tell me you are into, branding and color. So give me any prompt. Let's try that as well. Like you don't like the color theme, I know.
Yeah. Exactly.
Yeah. Tell me,
I just
will.
heard a term from you. I'm going to ask you about that. Okay. While you
Hmm.
were speaking a little earlier.
Mm-hmm.
And I have two questions for you, by the way.
Okay.
One is, what is this term that you used, vibe code? And my second question to you is,
Mm-hmm.
if there's so much of precision in um, creating better beers, more precise quantity and quality of beers, and it shows a sharp steep in the revenues, why are people not using brewing softwares? Or
Okay.
like the kind of calculations that you just showed.
First question is easy to answer. It's already in front of us on the screen. Second
Uh,
question requires, I can say, more like 8 podcast episode. It's full series why people are not using it.
yeah.
But if I'll talk about vibe coding, so there is a person called Andrej Karupati.
Okay.
He was with Tesla,
Okay.
and he's like go-to person if you really want to understand how generative AI works.
Mm.
Very deep uh, content on YouTube, and it's free. But for me, it gives me lots of migraine whenever I go to those videos because I didn't understand those things in like one go. I have to watch the same video for 20 times. So he introduced this terminology called vibe coding. So vibe coding is coding as I was giving you the demo. So you don't write code, you just tell, okay, change this, change this. For example, can you put with logo
Hmm.
made with lots of beer and
Now this is interesting.
cheers,
Chatty.
chatty. Okay. So I just put this prompt. As you can see in the website that we have made, there is nothing here, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's wait because it's making those change. Okay,
Hmm.
okay. Logo line made with love from here. Okay, ask again for our permission. And yeah, changes are made.
Hmm.
Okay, where is that? See, made with love.
Yeah.
Cheers, chatty.
Wow.
Okay, now you can give complex things as well. Do you want me to use any hex codes for this?
I do have. I'll tell you. I can give it to you on chat.
Okay,
1 second. Let me go to my brand page and I'll tell you my X codes.
okay. Yes, I'm on it.
Okay.
For this session, I'm using ChatGPT Codex, and
Okay, you
like
can use that. Yeah.
yeah, so like this, there are REPL, it, cursor. Even you can use Google AI Studio for this. There are several tools. Cloud works very good.
Hmm.
You shared?
1 second. I'm just giving it to you. Is
Um, let's
Have you
do it.
received it? I just sent it to you on.
Okay. So it's like you want me to use this color code.
Yes.
Okay. See, uh, use UI, UX, color theory principle, and make color changes.
So
Okay.
does all this come under AI?
Yes, this all comes right. It's called generative AI.
Generative AI. Okay.
So
That's.
now we gave another prompt
Hmm.
as per your hex code, which is a
Hmm.
color code.
Yeah.
So it's okay, red palette.
Correct.
Okay, that's it's because color needs to be changed in many places.
Hmm.
So now it will think and it will also use the color theory. And let's see what is happening here. Nothing happened as of now. So how many minutes? 15 minutes done or like
Now, what time did we start? Uh, we've been recording. It's not showing the time here.
okay, no problem. Because
No, but
every
you can go
time,
on. Let's finish the conversation.
yes, yes.
As we do this, I want to ask you. Everyone keeps talking about AI, 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 and some love it, some hate it.
Mm-hmm.
But whatever it is, you can't ignore it anymore. So I wanted to ask you: is there a beer that is completely brewed through AI? And secondly, where does AI stand in in beer because it's considered to be a handcrafted beverage made with a lot of love, and
Hmm.
the raw the better. It's more relatable, more real. So, since you're talking about generative AI, tell me more. Do we need AI in beer?
Yes, of course, we need AI in the beer. It's not the solution, it's the tool. So mostly people think it as a solution and then they move away from it,
Hmm.
right? But it's not the solution, it's the tool. We have to make use of it. So wherever there is a data,
Hmm.
we,
I can see a lot of red now.
yes, wherever there is a data, we have to, crunch that data. And with the help of AI, we can do it better,
Okay.
right? And as you can see, it's red,
Hmm.
right? Fermentation, again, see, it took this into gray, right?
Correct.
So that's how it does things.
So, who are the companies or breweries that are using AI as a tool today, India or international? Or are people still trying to figure it out?
People are still trying to figure it out. Even the larger companies, they
Hmm.
have lots of data sitting in their server, but they don't know what to do with the data. And
So,
on the other hand, for small or mid-sized companies, these solutions are very expensive, not
okay.
affordable.
So
So
AI is expensive.
yes, AI is of course expensive. Even to run these things, I'm paying 2000 rupees per month,
Okay.
right? But for me, it seems very cheaper because whatever we have done in this 15 minutes or
Yeah.
10 minutes,
Hmm.
this is a work which you can like make it done using like spending 2 lakh rupees.
Hmm.
Okay. No, just simply done. I remember in back in like pre-COVID era, I paid 25K to someone to make something looks like this. And even that was not looking good at all.
See, it has definitely helped our business, Ankur, for the craft beer school because all the students, most of them who come to us, say that they have found us through ChatGPT.
Hmm.
They've not found us through search engines like Google. They've said, I've
Hmm.
seen you on ChatGPT. Like today, you were saying someone who was traveling by a local train and he was surfing on ChatGPT and he found the craft beer school and he wants to enroll. So, definitely for us, it is extremely beneficial. We've done that. But like when you were saying that it is expensive, but the results that it gives you from the recipe perspective, quality, quantity, business, ROI, uh, precision, using data in a better way and a faster way, I would look at it as an investment and not like an expense.
Hmm.
'Cause it might be that okay, like for instance, you're spending 2,000 a month for
Hmm.
just you know playing around it and finding a solution. But when you use it for a brewery company, for a beer company, there would be a lot more tools that are available, and that's only just going to increase profits, which is the bottom line at the end of the day.
Yeah, you're right. Because see, for example, you are not into brewing, but you are like willing to convey something to data team, right?
Correct?
Now, instead of telling them in your imagination, you can, do the vibe coding
Hmm.
and you can tell them, hey, see, this is what I'm, expecting,
Okay.
right? So as you can see, now I am giving another prompt. So I have two more screens to implement over here. This is one screen,
Hmm.
and this is what is, yeah, this is also one screen I want to. Okay. And I was also talking with someone like one of the German guy, and this guy was like, my discussion was with him like, hey, in India, everyone tells me like, You are 10 years ahead of the time. It's
Hmm.
not time to use the AI now,
Hmm.
right? Um, so this guy told me, Ankur, this is the right time to use it. If you'll not be using it now, you will be 10 years back in next year,
Uh-huh.
right?
Yes.
So this is, what I've
No, you're
heard.
demonstrating it and how simple it is use it. And I think beer companies should take notice of this and get you on board to using it. I mean, they just need to have faith in the medium
Hmm.
and believe that it is going to work for them. The rest of the work it will be done by you. You need to understand them. They have the data. They just need to give it to you, and you will make sense of it all. So,
Yes, see, everything is right now.
ah,
So intuitive, right?
correct.
Still, there are few things like which needs to be finished. Again, for that we need professional coder.
Hmm,
But my idea is now conveyed, right?
correct.
See, let's make one beer entry. Chatty name spice ale malt current stock is 10 stock 1000 supplier ABC sauce unit cost 400 add material. See, it's added. See,
Wow.
and this is demo. Can you imagine? I just made this with like, so normally it takes 15 minutes. Imagine you have 24 hours in a day, and this is for 30 days subscription. You can make n number of ideas, right? So
Fabulous.
ChatGPT is not to replace brewers, it is to enhance the,
Enhance.
right?
Enhance the beer, enhance the business.
Yes. So whatever repetitive task you have in your brewery, you can, use these AI. And you ask like how it helps. It helps to gauge at your data. First thing is like doing the postmortem, you know, what I'm doing, what happened. Second thing is what is happening. You are into your current. Then you do the future things. So that's how the AI implementation cycle is. First is a postmortem, what happened, what is happening. Second, third is what will happen,
Okay.
right?
So, if someone wants to um, enroll into craft beer school and say that I want a course that's specifically of beer and AI, is that
Mhm.
something that we can offer and teach people?
As of now, we both know we don't have course like this, but yes, if we'll start this course, this will be one of its kind.
Yeah. At least
Uh,
a master class to begin with.
yeah, we can do the master class.
Yeah.
A good idea.
Hmm.
And see, the prompt is done. Now I gave two more tasks. Right.
Something so simple, all that it needs is one needs to just use it and not shy away from it or think that you're not being authentic enough if you are using artificial intelligence. It's I wouldn't say it is artificial, but it's somewhere real intelligence put to use.
See, it's a very, very intuitive, right?
Yeah.
We have everything over here. Now it turned this into red, and earlier it was so still, ChatGPT is, I can say, not intuitive, still there is a mistake.
Hmm.
And
But
that's
at least
how,
it gives you a direction, it gives you a guideline. I think companies should invest in something like this than pouring crores of rupees and employing brand celebrity brand ambassadors who don't even believe in the beer or who may not even be drinking the beer. This is where the numbers are. This is where it is going to
Mhm.
translate into profits. So go where the money is.
Yes, it is. Even you have seen things have changed a lot.
Yeah,
The
I
way you used, sorry to cut you short, the way you used to use Canva like four
yeah,
or five
as
years
against the
back.
way I use it now.
Yes.
Even for that matter, the way I use ChatGPT and I use Perplexity. They are
Mm-hmm.
the constant tabs on my laptop.
Mm-hmm.
It
See, now it will implement these things very, very quickly. And that's why I say this is the future. This is the future.
could you demonstrated it right here and made it easy. And I hope
Yeah, still it took
followers at
this tab as like,
Cheers Chatty are taking notice.
yes. So it's very, very intuitive. See, whatever I brewed in last 2 years,
Hmm.
last 1 year, 6 months, last day, 7 days, and in last 24 hours.
Wow.
And
Which others would have taken so long, a week to do this,
it
to create this report.
for the brewer love to enter the data, even they hate it. But to make such filters, they don't like, working on Excels and Google Sheets.
Hmm.
Even these softwares doesn't have these filters.
But we can do it.
Yeah, but as you can see, it's there, right?
Hmm.
And we are implementing the same. So again, to brew people, again, we are not making any competition. Like we are just demoing people,
How it is used.
how it is used. And yeah.
Fantastic. Now, before we sign off, Ankur, I just want to ask you one question. Is there one beer which is completely brewed through AI?
Yes,
Can you
yes.
think of any beer?
Uh, See, you can make recipes using AI or even using ChatGPT these days. But at the end, you have to make beers with the help of brewers, humans.
Hmm. Yeah, of
So
course, a human touch. AI is just an enabler. It is, as you said, it's not a solution. It's not a magic wand that will do everything for you, and you just like not move your finger.
yes, yeah. So while we were talking,
Hmm.
new screens are also ready. Where it put, I don't know.
As long
Okay,
as there's progress. Oh yeah.
okay. Let's ask it. Okay, how to see?
So while Ankur is doing all of this, our message and a purpose for this session is that AI is for real and
Mm-hmm.
use it. And you'll need anyone needs any help, a brewer, a beer company, microbreweries, mid-sized, commercial, get in touch with us. Simple.
Yeah, see, it implemented here. So earlier there was only this graph.
Yeah.
Now you have daily reading, right?
Wow.
And these are the graphs. See,
This is almost like German precision,
it's not precise, as you can see
but
over
as
here.
precise as you can get. It's so indicative
Yes.
and intuitive.
See, it's still blue and green, but it's red over here, right?
Hmm.
So people like you are still needed,
Yeah, yeah. I will still point out and saying that where are my colors?
right?
Yeah.
So yeah, this is what this session was about.
Okay.
And yeah, to all people who are looking for such sessions or a course, feel free to register at Craft Beer School.
Dot in.
Yeah, this is our website, craftbeerschool.in. Yes, if we can make these solutions, we'll make our website better.
Yeah.
Yes, you guys are thinking in right
It's
direction.
working for us the way it is.
Yes, but we are like this. We believe in momentum than perfection. So that's how you can, send queries at Craft Beer School. You select your course,
Huh.
type message, and this message straight away goes to the WhatsApp.
Yeah, Ankur, like I know we are on a session, but I just want to tell you that can you just put location also in the uh, in the inquiry form. So because a lot of people ask them where are they from.
Okay, got it.
They just because many of them are from Bangalore, then it's easier. And as we speak, and before I sign up, I would like to tell people that our January batch will start. We need at
Hmm.
least 20 students. That's for the online courses and for the offline. Anyone's interested, please, you can see the website, drop a message, and we'll take it up from there. Thank you so much. And lovely. I like the website that you've done a lot more work on it today, Ankur. Thank you so much. And
Yeah.
should we sign off?
Yes, you can
Great.
stop recording
Thank
now.
you. And this will be, the session will be posted on the Cheers Chatty YouTube channel. Thank you and cheers.